See, I know it's been hard for us both right now, but that's been understood. So I'm going out tonight just to free my mind, but don't know if I should. Cause I know I'm getting drunk till the sun comes up, smoking till I'm high and I can't come down. You say that I'm wrong for the way I move. I look back at you and say I don't see how I used to be. Don't wanna get used to it. Feel like I'm losing it. My fault for choosing it. Now I gotta choose how I'm feeling. It was best for me. Till then I'ma sip this whiskey.
So fine.